absolutely insane. Peep the road though, bro. Yo, let's talk about it. We back with another banger. As you can see, bro, I'm not gonna lie, I fumbled this whole day, bro. Like, just everything about it, I fumbled, bro. I'm not gonna lie. So there was a legal pit this day. First, I ain't gonna say the first legal pit in the 757, and like my boy Gang was one of the people who got it started, bro, and I couldn't make it. I'm hurt. So all right, cool, I'm gonna just make it to the after party, bruh. We go to the after party. 12 is literally at every single spot. But you know we persistent, bro. We pushed through, and yeah, I only got footage from the last spot. Only good news is we were there for like 30 minutes, bro. So I got like a decent amount of footage. But bro, I'm not gonna lie to you, man. Bro, my dog been gone for 2 weeks, bro. Dash has been gone for 2 weeks. Anybody else I hand this camera to, bro, gotta be cursed. Like, they cannot record worth anything, bro. I barely have any footage. I had to, like, bro, if this video seems like BS, I'm sorry, bro. I fumbled, bro, because me and bro went crazy. But I'm gonna still show y'all what I got, man. But before we get into the video, make sure you drop a like, comment, subscribe, bro. We on the road to 1K, still dropping every day. Like, get into them, bro. Yeah, bro, it's lit, I promise. But, man, I fumbled, and I apologize for that. But just know, me and bro still turned up. We the best duo out here. Let's get into it. You already know, man. I had to save today. This nigga didn't even turn traction off yet. But you know, Ferg had to come save today, yet again.
I think it's a sensor.
Hold on, we about to.
Oh, okay.
Look at this nigga tire, man. This how we gonna start off the vlog.
Shit's cooked.
Oh, this good.
What you mean that's good? In the middle?
That's good. I'll slide this. Oh, on me I would slide on this, but either way. That boy in the city though, you already know, we locked in.
Turn the book up tonight, guys.
Got to. I don't know, man. I'm giving him the tires I need. So we're gonna see if Ferg actually cut up or not. But hey, stay tuned. The one that you. Damn, is it white? You already know, man. I had gang with me, got my brother with me, man.
You did it.
You already know.
You already know, man.
I tried to record this already, but niggas was sliding and y'all probably can't hear me, so, but you know. 12 pulled up. Let me see. Hold on. Let me show y'all something. That boy done went fed. That boy Ferg done went fed. It's a new saying that if the plate down, we not stopping.
Not stopping.
Hey, so, but yeah, man.
If you don't know, ask your bitch about us.
You already know. She know. We're gonna keep that on the hush though. But anyways, yeah, man. We on the road to 1K. I told y'all my brother pop out. We gonna be lit. And what B say? Pop shit, 12K, stop shit. Come on. Hey, this for my nigga B too. B, when you see this road, this whole, all these circles is for you, gang.
Oh God, bro.
Hey, yeah.
And make sure you hit that like, comment, subscribe button. Get this man to 1K.
Yeah, we on the road to 1K. We almost there. Get this man to 2K. Matter of fact, it's a couple things. Since we got him here, tell that man to bring the merch back. Tell that man to start posting again. Tell this man to stop playing because it's belt to ass season.
Oh yeah.
We gone.